Good morning. It was a rough night last night. Might as well get something done. Got some work to do in the garage. There's dudes outside my door. Can you see that? Anyways, this morning I woke up to chainsaws and stuff because there's these dudes cutting branches, taking them away from the power lines, doing what they gotta do. I gotta try to work on, like promised, this back section of the garage here that's all ripped open, because that's the next step. I'm supposed to work on Jordan's helmet for him, but I have a serious lack of material. I'm sorry, dude. I'll go to the gym later, I'll get everything I need. But for this morning, I think we'll concentrate on this. I'm gonna have to go pull the plow. Late night, man. I'm gonna have to pull the power, so I'm not gonna have any radio, no lights or anything in here for a while, which kind of sucks, but whatever, we'll deal with it. I'll try to like bypass the power somehow so I can get music from the TV back. But yeah, basically today is one of those gotta keep moving kind of days, so I'm gonna try to get a bunch of stuff done. We're gonna start with this. I'll move the Acadian out so I got room to work, and then go cut some power, and we'll go from there. Done and done. Hold on, I thought that was on the same circuit as the music, everything else, and it's not. I still got light over there, so we can still get music. Nice. Time to get to work. One down, one to go. So as you can see, wall's down. Now these dudes are starting to work outside with their truck. It's gonna get really noisy. I don't know how much I'll be able to talk to you guys because they're gonna get that chipper going soon probably. They're cutting branches around the power line. But yeah, that's open. So now basically I'm just gonna go through there. I'm gonna just pull everything out that I can and move it around so that I got room to work in there. And that will be the new workshop. Stay tuned. Oh, if these guys drop something on one of my cars, I'm gonna be pissed. Hope they got insurance. RX-7 sitting right there. Camaro, the 8.6. 8.6 is nice and clean too. I hope these guys are professionals. Slow and steady. So the guys that were doing all the tree stuff outside, they're gone. They did what they had to do. They got out of here. I'm still working on cleaning up this area. Still kind of messy. A lot of motors, a lot of transmissions in there. But I got the wall, the frame, all that crap out of the way. Most of the crap wood out. I'm gonna bring the rest out and put it over yonder, that way somewhere. Anyways, like I said, I discovered that the power is not. I thought it was the same plug all the way around, but it's not. So I still have TV sort of deal. I still have this. So I figured, why not watch some Joe Rogan while I work? You know, maybe get some sort of an education on stuff. Very interesting. Why not? So I'm gonna keep on working on that. Listen to some Joe Rogan, and maybe I'll show you guys what's up after it's all done, said and done. But anyways, I'm burning daylight like crazy, so I gotta make some progress. Holy crap! All right, boys. So I've been at it for a while. Check it out. Made some room. So we got all this extra room. So I know it's really hard to see on the camera and stuff because I don't have that wide angle lens. Probably better off with the GoPro, but you can see behind me, there's a little bit more room for activities. I'm gonna finish cleaning up in there. I gotta sweep the floors. I'm gonna put, there's another piece of plywood that, with this presswood shit. Basically, I'm gonna put that up in the corner here because this whole corner piece right here, I wanna keep that for, I'm gonna put some workbench in the back, some storage areas and stuff like that, and then a big shelf up on the top. I want it completely with this presswood plywood deal. That way, if I want to drop a screw in that to put up shelves or anything of the sort, I don't have to look for a stud or a beam or any kind of wood. I just go for it. Zing, zing, zing. Put that all right in. So what I'll do now, I guess, is, well, it's time for the boring stuff. I'm going to get the broom up. I'm going to sweep all that crap. And then put up that plywood. Gonna have to go get some supplies, so I'll probably take all this wood that I pulled out, put it back in there, kind of down the center, so it's sort of out of my way, so I can work, so I can do stuff, so I can yada yada. And anyway, yeah, that's the plan, and I'll get back at you real soon when things are more figured out. Okay guys, check it out. It's all clean. It's looking good. Looking like I can set up some shelves, do some painting and stuff. I totally meant to film some stuff of me working on it, just for proof, you know, so you know it's really me. I got into it and forgot to film, so I'll try to get a bit better at that. I gotta go get some sealant and stuff, some paint, maybe start painting those walls up. I want to keep that presswood there. Like I said before, I can just screw anything in the wall, and I'm gonna put a big kind of shelving unit there, so it's gonna be all good. I'll get back to you. I'm running out of time, and I'm running out of light. It's gonna start getting dark soon. But anyways, you guys can see what I've done. So, whoa. So basically, you see what I'm doing here. I'm making walls white. Back there's gonna be some shelving units. I gotta figure out all my tools. I gotta go through all this crap all here. There's like a press, there's engines, there's a metal saw. I got stuff on that side of the car. I got tools all over the shop. This place is a complete mess. Got tools over there, there's the tire machine, the compressor and all that stuff. I gotta organize, do stuff in here, do stuff in here. So anyways, basically what's going on is I'm moving stuff around inside the shop a little bit. I'm gonna lose 5 feet over here. Basically where the compressor is, that door, there's gonna be a wall that comes out to about where the bead blaster is. So I'm kind of losing that, but I gain all this spot here. And all this spot here behind me, the idea is to make like, that's where I'm gonna do all the dirty, crusty stuff when I'm working on the car. So all the welding, the grinding, the body work, Bondo, sanding, paint, all that stuff I can do in there. And then this part of the shop, I'm gonna try to keep relatively nice, because really what's gonna stay in here is like the street cars. So the Acadian when it's done, the RX-7, they're gonna look real nice, real pretty sitting in here. It's kind of like my man cave. I really want to work on getting a shop for the crew somewhere else, somewhere we can call it headquarters. We can all be there, hang out, work on our cars and stuff with no worry of disrupting anybody's home life or anything like that, you know. That's a big dream, big goal, big plan. So basically, I'm just doing what I can until then. So soon, my friends, this place will be a workshop to be working on the cars, the long-term dirty projects and stuff. And things are gonna start looking good. So that's about it for today. Like I said, I'm running out of time, running out of materials, running out of daylight, but I'm pretty content with what I got done. So tomorrow I will start back up again. I'm gonna start, hopefully this paint's dry. I'm gonna start setting up shelves so I can start taking all the crap off of that up there and start putting it in. Then when everything's all figured out and organized, then we'll probably do a shop tour. Sir Merv, I didn't forget about you, buddy. I'm also looking forward to collabing with you in the near future. So until then, guys, until the next video, until next time, I think next time we're doing either Jordan's helmet because I got the stuff I needed to do it today, or we're gonna continue in here. Anyways, it's tomorrow for me, probably the day after for you guys. Peace out, stay happy.